Hello everyone, good afternoon all of you. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. Welcome back to your online classes. Students, I am your Tazib sir and today I'm going to teach you a new question of exercise number, which exercise? Third B. Third exercise number third B, new question. Before we starting as sessions, our students, what we see daily? A good code. So students, before we starting our sessions, let's check here today's code. So now let's check here today's code. Students, let's check here the code. So now today's code is all power is within you. What? All power is within you. You can do anything, everything. What? All power is within you. You can do anything and everything. It means what, all students? You have a power, you have a potential power to do anything, something for you or other. But your power, all power is within you. You can, what you can do? Okay, students, you can do anything and everything. Okay, it's a weightage of anything or everything words. So we have to do and we can do anything or everything. Understood? Now let's move on what we have done in last sessions. I hope you remember, all students, what we have done in last session. So we have done in last session, first of all, do the revision, then after exercise number 3B. What? Exercise number 3B we have done in last lecture or last sessions. Exercise number 3B, question number 1, double the 7 timetables to find this product. What? Double the 7 timetables to find this product. Double the 9 timetables to find these products. Okay, and question number 3, find the product using the pattern. But only 2 sums we have done in last session. Then today we are going to others term or sum. We have to which term find the product as a pattern and any question of other things. Okay, so we have do now. So in last lecture only we have do the question 2. In question number 3, find the product using the pattern. So now let's move on what we are going to learn today. What, students? Today what we are going to learn, today's agenda. Okay, revision exercise number 3B, today's agenda. And today what we are going to learn? Today we are going to learn revision of previous lecture, revision of last lecture, revision of last lecture. Okay, yesterday we have done the question number 3, find the product using the pattern. Okay, question number 4, multiplying in any order. So we have to do this only the question number 3 and question number 4. So now first of all we starting our session. Let's do the revision of last lecture. What? Let's do the revision of last lecture. Got my point, all students? So now we do the revision of last lecture. So students, start here the what? We are start here the question number 2, revision of last lecture. Question number 2, double the 9 timetables, find this product. So first of all here, what is the double of 9? Double of 9 is 18. What? The double of 9 is 18. 18 multiply by 3, 3 8s are 14, 4 here and 2 is a form of carry. So 8 one by one, all students, I am telling you, 3 8s are 14, 3 8s are 24. Sorry, 3 8s are not a 14, 24. 3 8s are 24. So 24, how can we write 24? 4 here and 2 is a form of carry. 4 here and 2 is a form of carry. Then after 3 ones are 3 plus 2. 3 plus 2, how many? 5. So answer is what, all students? 54. What? Answer is what? 54. So answer is what? 54. The 18 3s are 54. What, all students? 18 3s are 54. Got my point, all all students. Now question number B, 18 sixes. Question number what? Question number B, 18 sixes. 18 sixes is equal to how many? Okay, we count one by one all step. So 18 sixes. So first of all 6 multiplied by 8, then after 6 multiplied by 1. So 6 8s are 48. How many old students? 6 8s are 48. 6 8s are 48. So how can we write 48? 8 here and 4 is a form of carry. So 8 6 are 48. So 48, how can we write? 8 is down and 4 is a form of carry. So students, 80. Then we have do the further. 8 6 means 6 8 is 48. So is at downside and 4 is a form of carry. Understood? And then after 6 ones are 6. 6 ones are this 6 ones are 6. 6 plus 4, so 10. So answer is what? 108. So 18 6 are 108. Got my point, all students? 18 6 are 108. Now we move on. Question number C. What is the question number C? Now check it. Question number C is what? 18 2s. 18 2s. How many? 18 2s. 2 8s and then after 2 1s. Got my point, all students? 2 8s 16. 8 plus 8. How many? 16. 6 here and 1 is a form of carry. 18 6 18 2s 16. 6 here and 1 is a form of carry. Then after 2 1s are 2. 2 1s are 2 plus 1. So how many? 3. So answer is what? 36. Answer is what, all students? 36. Answer is 36. So 18 2s 36. Now then question number D. Question number D is what? Question number D is 1 8s 1 8s sorry 1 8s not, but 18 5s 18 5s 18 5s how many, all students? 18 5s do now step by step we do here. 18 5s okay, so 5 8s 14. First of all we do 5 8s and then 5 1s. 5 1s 5 8s 14. So 0 here and 4 is a form of carry. 5 8s 40. So 0 here and 4 is a form of the carry. 5 8s 40. 4 here and 0 form as a down. Okay, and then 5 1s 5. 5 plus 4. 5 plus 4, so how many? 9. 5 plus 4, so how many, all students? 9. 5 plus 4 is equal to 9. So answer is 9. 9 0 19. 18 5s 19. How many, all students? 18 5s 19. Then after E. Question number E. Question number E is what, all students? Question number E is 18 4s. Okay, question number 4 E is 18 4s. 18 4s what? 18 4s. So first of all we do 4 8s then 4 1s. Okay, so 4 8s 32. How many? 32. 2 here and 3 as a form of carry. We can write as like that form of carry. 8 4s 32. 2 here and 3. Then after 4 1s 4. 4 1s 4. 4 plus 3. 4 plus 3, so how many, all students? 7. 4 plus 3 7. So answer is what, all students? Answer is 18 4s 72. 18 4s 72. Understood? Now again I'll repeat you. 18 2s 36. 18 5s 90. 18 4s 72. 18 3s 54 and 86 108. 108. Okay, so now students, let's move on further question. Question number, which question? Question number 3. Okay, exercise number 3b. Question number 3, find the product using the pattern. Got my point, all students? Find the product using the pattern. So question number 3 is what, all students? Question number 3, exercise number 3b first, then question number 3, find the product using the pattern. So now let's move on. Question number A. Question number A. So let's see here. Check here. Question number 1. Question number 1 is what? 101 multiplied by 81. How can we do? We do as like on our, see now this display as like that we do 101 multiplied by 81. So 101 multiplied by 81. So now step by step look at look at that on display, and step by step we are going to learn find the product. Okay, and in last we got the answer. Find the product. What is the answer? Answer is okay, multiplication. Answer is called the product. Okay, one by one we going through the all step. So students, one okay, this one, first of all 1 multiplied by 1, then 1 multiplied by 0, and then 1 multiplied by again 1. See, this 1 multiplied by this one, this multiplied by this one is multiplied by 0, and 1 multiplied by 1. So now 1 ones are 1. So what I am wrote here? 1 ones are 1. Then after 1 zeros are any number multiplied by 0, so its answer what we got? 0. Any number we got the as a multiply, so what answer as a form of 0. Got my point, all students? Then after we are going to learn 1 zeros are 0, so we write it as 0. First of all 1 ones are 1, then 1 zeros are 0, then again 1 ones are, so this 1 ones are 1. Okay, then after why I am putting here 0? Because of rule of multiplication. What rules of multiplication? It's called compulsory 0. We have any do the 2-digit multiplication. What? Whenever we do the 2-digit multiplication, that time in second step, this 101 is first step, and then after 8018 is what is that? Before we write anything, first of all in first side, this side we put the compulsory 0 is the mathematical rules and mathematical multiplication rules. Okay, whenever we do the 2-digit multiplication, so what we do that time, put the compulsory 0, then after we do the further. Okay, now 8 is done with all further upper 3-digit. 1 is we multiply with 3-digit, and then now is turn off 8 ones are this 8 and this one, 8 ones are 8, so we wrote 8 zeros are 0, then again 8 ones are 8. Got my point, all students? Then after now we do the addition. 1 plus 0 is equal to 1, 0 plus 8, so 8. Again 1 plus 0, so 1, and then 8 as it is. Okay, so answer is what? 8181. Answer is what, all students? 8181. Got my point, all students? Now we move on question number B. So let's take a question number B. What is the question number B? 101 multiplied by 65. What? 101 multiplied by 65. So first of all we see how many here digit, 2 digits, so 5. First of all we take the 5 and then 5 and then multiply by this 3 digit, and then take a 6 and then multiply by this 3 digit. So 5 ones are 5, so we wrote here 5, then 5 zeros are 0, 5 zeros are 0, then after 5 ones are again 5 ones are 5 ones are 5 zeros are 5, and 5 ones are 5. Okay, then what is the rules of maths rules and multiplication rules of whenever we do the 3-digit or 2-digit subtraction, in the next step we always put the compulsory 0. We never forget to putting the 0. Okay, so we always put that time 0. Okay, 0 is compulsory 0, it's called compulsory 0. Then after 6 ones are 6 ones are 6, then after 6 zeros are 0, again 6 ones are 6. See here, 6 ones are 6 zeros are 0, and 6 ones are 6. So now we do the addition here. 5 plus 0 is equal to 5, 0 plus 6 is equal to 0, 5 plus 0 is equal to 5, 0 plus 6 is equal to 6, and 5 plus 0 is equal to 5, and 6 as it is. The answer, what we got the answer here? Answer is what here, all students? 6565. What answer is what, all students? 6565 is our answer. Understood, all students? I hope you all are understood betterly. Now we move on question number C. So let's see here the question number C. What is the question number C? So now let's check question number C. Question number C is what? 101 multiplied by 54. 101 multiplied by 54. So students, one by one we have done two sum. Question number 1 and 2 as like we do question number C. So do with me all students. Okay. So 4 multiplied by 1. 4 multiplied by 1, 0 and 1, and then a turn will become 5 multiplied by 1, 0 and 1. Got my point all students? So let's start here the all students solving the sum. Understood all students? So now 4 ones are 4, 4 ones are 4, 4 zeros are 0, 4 ones are 4. So we write as like that, 4 ones are 4, 4 zeros are 0, 4 ones are 4, as like that. Then we plus put the addition sign, then after compulsory 0. What we are do here, we put the compulsory 0. It's the rule of maths. So then whenever we do the 2-digit subtraction, so we put the what? We put the 0, compulsory 0. Then after we do multiplication of second digit. This digit first we have done 4, and then now we do 5. 5 ones are 5, 5 zeros are 0, then 5 ones are 5. See here, 5 ones are 5, 5 zeros are 0, 5 ones are 5. So now let's do addition. 4 plus 0, so 4, 0 plus 5, so 5, 4 plus 0, so 4 and 5 as it is. The answer is what? 5454. Answer is what? 5454 is our answer. Understood all students? Now we move on question number D. So question number D is what all students? So students, let's check here what here. Now do the question number D. Question number D is what? Here one sum is missing, 101 multiplied by 38. Question number C, and I'll take here other. So students, you have to do this sum on self, okay? Otherwise I'll give you at homework and next session. Got my points? So question number D is what here? Question number D is 101 multiplied by 93. 101 multiplied by 93. So now students, as per we do one by one step we go. So now do the sum. So 3 okay, now 3 multiplied by 1, then 0, then 1. 3 multiplied by 1, 3 multiplied by 0, then 1, then 9. Okay, then 9. So 9 multiplied by 1, 9 multiplied by 0, and 9 multiplied by 1. Got my point all students? So now we do multiplication. So 3 ones are 3 ones are 3, 3 zeros are 0, again 3 ones are 3. So 3 ones are 3, 3 zeros are 0, 3 ones are 3. Got my points? Now we do the second step. Okay, now we do the second step. Compulsory 0. Then after 9 ones are 9, 9 zeros are 0, again 9 ones are 9. So 3 plus 0 is equal to 3, 0 plus 9 is equal to 9, 3 plus 0 is equal to 3, and 9 as it is. So what we got answer? 9393. What we got all students? Answer what we got? 9393 is our answer. Got my point all students? Now I hope you all are understood. Now we move on question number 4. What is the question number 4? Let's check here. What is the question number 4? So question number 4 is what? Exercise number 3b, question number 4. Exercise number 3b, question number 4. Multiply in any order. So now multiply in any order. So directly we learn by the question or example. Understood? Example not, but directly we learn by a exercise number 3b, question number 4, directly a exercise question. Okay, so now let's check here what is the question number first. So now students, let's check here. Question number 1 is what? Okay, question number 1 is what? Here is your question. 3 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 4. Is this your question? 3 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 4. Is this your question? So first of all we do only first two digit. First two digit we multiply. 3 2s are. Okay, 3 2s are. We are right as like that as it is last digit 4. Understood? So 3 2s are how many were students? 6. 3 2s are 6, and this 4 is multiplied by as it is. So 3 2s are we got the 6 and 4 as it is. See here 4 as it is, 4 as it is, and 4 as it is. Okay, so what 3 2s are we write as form of this type. 3 2s are 6. Okay, 3 2s are 6, 6 4s are 24, 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 6 3s are 18, and 6 4s are 24. So now answer is what we got. All students, answer we got as form of 24. Okay, is a what it's called multiply in any order. It's order, form of the order. 3 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 4. So 3 2s are 6 and 6 4s are 24 as like that. So how can we write? So student, 3 2s are 6, 6 4s are 24 as like that. See, again and again I'll repeat you. 3 2s are 6 and 6 4s are 24 as like that. So first of all we do the multiply one digit. This and this 3 2s are 6 and 4 as it is. Okay, whenever we write and whenever we do multiply only first two digits, so then after this one digit we write as it is. No need be a changed. Okay, no need to changing it. Okay, 3 2s are 6, 3 2s are 6, then after multiply by 4 as it is. 6 4s are 24. Got my point, all students? I hope you all are understood. Now question number B. What is question number B? Let's check here. So question number B is what, all students? Question number B is students 2 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 3. 2 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 3. 2 7s are 14 and 14 3s are 42. We don't know, so how can we do? We do in rough work. Okay, calculate, we can do the calculation in rough work. Okay, so and other things we do as like any multiplication order. So how can it is this possible? So is this possible as like that? 2 multiplied by 7, 2 multiplied by 7. How can it possible to multiply by 7? So 2 multiplied by 7, so we can write as like that. Then after 3 we are putting as it is. What? 3 are putting as it is. So 2 7s are or 7 2s are. Okay, 2 7s are first of all not do here 7 2s are. We do here only 2 7s are. 2 7s are we all know 14. Okay, and 14 multiplied by 3. We all know what is the answer of 14 multiplied by 3. We have done in question number 1 or 2. I think 1 we have done question number 2 1 question number 1 in. Okay, 14 3s how many? 42. Okay, we have done this sum, but again I'll repeat you. 2 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 3. 2 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 3. So first 2 7s are, then after multiply by 3, and then 14 3s are. Okay, 14 3s are. So 14 3s are. So first of all 2 7s are 14, then multiply by 3 as it is. So 14 3s how many? 42. 14 3s are 42. 14 3s are 42. Got my point, all students? Now let's move on question number C. So is this your question number C? 4 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5. What? 4 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5. So first of all we wrote 4 multiplied by 3, then we do multiplication, and then we do a multiply with last digit. So 4 3s how many all students? 4 3s are 12, 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, and 4 3s are 12, and then multiply by 8. So 12 5s are 12, 1s are 12, 12 2s are 24, 12 3s are 12 3, and 12 4s are 48, 12 4s are 48, and 12 5s are 16. Okay, we know table number 12, so we do as directly, but we do as a pattern, as a format of pattern. 4 multiplied by 3, 4 multiplied by 3. How can we do 4? This 4 multiplied by 3 and then multiply by 5. So 4 multiplied by 3 is equal to 12. 4 3s are 12. How many? 4 3s are 12. So 4 3s are 12 is equal to 12, and then multiply 5. So 12 multiply by 5. So students understood. Again and again I'll repeat to you. 4 multiply by 3, 4 multiply by 3, and then multiply 5. So we do first two digits. 4 multiply by 3, 4 3s are 12. What? 4 3s are 12, and multiply by 5. 4 3s are 12 and multiply by 5. So 12 5s are how many? 16. 12 1s are 12, 12 2s are 14, 12 3s are 36, and 12 4s are 48, and 12 5s are 60. Understood? So now students, let's move on. Question number D. I hope you all are understood. Question number 1 to C. Now we move on question number D. So what is the question number D? Question number D as like that: 3 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 8. 3 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 8. 3 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 8. So 3 2s are how many? 6. Multiply by as it is. 3 2s are 6. First of all we do this both digit, then multiply as it is. 8 8 and 8. Okay, 3 2s are 6. So we wrote here the 3 2s are 6. Got my point all students? 3 2s are 6 as a form of as like that. Then I multiply by 8. So 3 2s are 6, multiply as it is, and 8. Okay, so 6 8s are how many all students? 8 6 or 6 8s are 48. 8 6 are 48. Understood? I hope you all are understood. Okay students, now question number D is, again I'll repeat to you: 3 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 8. 3 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 8. So 3 multiplied by 2, again 2 and multiply by 8. Then after 6 multiply by 8. What? 6 multiply by 8. So 6 multiply by 8. How can it possible? 6. Okay, 3 2s are 3, 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, and 6 multiply by 8. So 6 8s are how many? 48. How many all students? 6 8s are 48. 6 8s are 48. Okay, so I hope you all are understood. Now let's move on. Last question number E. What? Question number E. Okay, so students, question number E is what? Question number E is 4 multiplied by 5. 4 multiplied by 5 and multiply by 2. 4 multiplied by 5 multiply by 2. 4 multiply by 5 multiply by 2. 4 5s are 20. See here, 4 5s are 20. 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, 4 4s are 16, 4 5s are 20. Again I'll repeat you: 4 1s are 4, 4 8s are 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, 4 4s are 16, 4 5s are 20, and then 2 as it is as a form of 2. Okay, so first of all we write 4 5s are, then 2 multiply by 2. 4 5s are multiply by 2. Okay, here as it is. So then 4 5s are 20, multiply by 2. 20 2s are, okay, 2 2s are 4, and 0 as it is. See here, 2 2s are, this 2 and this 2. 2 2s are 4, 0 as it is. So 22s are 14, or 2 2s are 4 as like that, and we put the 0. So 22s are 14 as it is. Got my point, all students? I hope you all are understood. This is your exercise number what? This is your exercise number 3rd B here is done. I hope you all are remember this, and I hope you understood all this question number 4. Okay, so now students, in further session we are going to learn a new topic, box multiplication. But before starting, we do the revision of revision of this all sum. Understood? So now let's start here. Okay, what is this? A new session. So again, next session I'll repeat this all sum. Got my point, all students? Okay, I hope you all are understood. Thank you so much, all of you. Thank you all.